Have you received your biometric request letter for Canadian PR and you are confused about how to book your biometric appointment at VFS Global? Do not worry, because in this video, I will guide you step by step through the entire booking process so you can complete it smoothly. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video, and you guys are watching Dhillon Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of how to book biometric appointment at VFS Global for PR application. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. When you apply for Canadian PR, IRCC usually requires you to give your biometrics. This includes your fingerprints and your photo. To do this, you must book an appointment at your nearest VFS Global Visa Application Center. Let's go to my laptop screen to see how to book a biometric appointment. Open up your browser and type in VFS Global. Scroll down. For biometric appointments, click on this web form. Appointment type biometric. Scroll down, click on proceed. So guys, enter your India mobile number, enter the captcha, and after that you will receive one-time password. So once you enter the one-time password, you can validate it. So guys, from here I cannot show you that how to book appointment because VFS Global does not allow me to upload older biometric request letter. It has to be new and fresh. It is very simple and easy. Just open every tab, read and choose right option. Enter your details like application number and personal details, and you will be able to book your appointment. It is very easy, and I will leave the link in the description down below. On your appointment day, carry these documents with you: your original passport, a printed copy of your biometric instruction letter, print of your email appointment confirmation. Once your biometrics are completed, VFS Global will automatically share the information with IRCC. You do not need to send anything separately. You can then continue tracking your application status online. So that's a full process of booking a biometric appointment at VFS Global for PR application. By following these simple steps carefully, you can complete your biometrics on time and avoid unnecessary delays in your immigration journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.